in this page po.
Okay, we will accept that answer, Sir Witness. Now, Mr. Witness, pagdating po sa DepEd confidential funds, as you mentioned, you issued the first two AOMs.
Yes, sir.
Tama po. I mean, AOM for the first and second quarter. Right?
Yes, sir.
Pero hindi nyo na po natanggap yung response. Kasi wala na kayo sa ICFAO.
Yes, sir.
But would you know, just curious, would you know kung ano yung present status nitong mga AOMs na to?
Hindi po. I don't have personal knowledge about that.
Okay. So you wouldn't know of whether may credit notice o wala?
Yes, sir.
Oh, but since you're an auditor, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng credit notice para sa isang auditor?
Kapag sinabing credit notice, yung documents submitted ay already passed in audit na po.
Opo, pass in audit, meaning allowed?
Yes po.
Allowed in
But subject to the reopening of the audit later
Opo.
on po.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Witness. Ngayon, Mr. Witness, since hanggang doon lang naman, no, yung naging saklaw talaga ng inyong service, I don't want to prolong this any longer. Gusto ko lang makita, based on your findings, AOM, diba? Tapos yung notice of suspension para sa OVP and the AOMs for DepEd, these are preliminary findings, correct?
Yes po, kasi nire-require pa naman sa agency na mag-justify yung findings and submit the documents being sought po dun sa...
Opo, at based po dito sa findings ninyo, wala namang pong expressly nakasulat na may misappropriation at this point.
Actually, yung presumption of misuse kasi nasa item 8.3 na kapag hindi nag-liquidate or failure of liquidation of the accountable officers upon due demand shall be a prima facie evidence that such fund has been put to personal benefit or misuse.
Yes. But I am just asking for the response na meron po bang expressly nakasulat sa mga findings niya?
Ask and answer, Your Honor. It is in
That is a presumption po, so hindi
Opo.
kailangan isubmit.
May expressly po ba na nakasulat na may iniisang kusing na napunta sa bulsa ng Vice Presidente?
Ask and answer, Your Honor. This... wait, don't answer. Uy. That question, Your Honor, has been asked and answered.
Sustained,
Your Honor.
Sustained counsel, I think where you're getting at, modify your question. You can get it.
Okay. So, basically po, ang findings nyo ay preliminary lamang. Wala pong any conclusive finding pa as to any misappropriation. Yun lang po ang tanong ko.
Ang sabi kasi sa circular, upon failure to liquidate,
No, I am
presumption.
Your Honor,
Ask and answer, Your Honor.
No,
You
the
already
witness
said...
asking if it's...
The witness is not responsive. Kindly respond. I think the question is quite simple,
Yun lang naman
Mr.
po.
Pamil.
Preliminary pa lang. So wala pang any conclusive finding as to any misappropriation. Yun na lang po.
Gusto mo ba makakonect sa mga single na malapit sa'yo at hindi ka i-reject? I-download ang app.
Para lang, Honor, non-response.
Ayan, bago ang lahat. Mega love shout out po sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon at sa lahat ng ating mga solid na subscriber, mega love shout out po sa inyong lahat. Mapagpalang hapon, maulan na hapon. Ayan, ingat po kayong lahat at una sa lahat, mega love shout out po kay Mami Mercy Calunod. Ayan, kay Audrey Nicole, kay Nani Sanchez Vlog, mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. At kay Biyahing Brankel Sam, mega love shout out. Kay Ma'am Annalisa, mega love shout out. Kay Ji Chang Wok, ayan, mega love shout out. Kay Kagawad Antonihan, mega love shout out. At kay Michelle Nabusit, mega love shout out po. At sa ating mga solid na subscriber, mega love shout out po sa inyong lahat. 11 million in the house, mega love shout out. Ayan, bago tayo mamaya bago tayo mag-comment mamaya ay pakinggan muna natin tong cross-examine ng taga-kuwa.
Let the presiding officer be the one to do it, or try to do it. Kapag ka nag-issue po kayo ng AOM, Audit Observation Memorandum, failure to liquidate na po ba yun? O may mga observation pa lang kayo Kailan masasabing may failure to liquidate na, no? Pag may notice of disallowance na, notice of suspension, o AUM pala?
Nakalagay po kasi sa Joint Circular, Your Honor, under 8.3, failure to liquidate by the accountable officer upon due demand shall be a prima facie evidence.
Opo, again, Mr. Wamila, yung pag-issue niyo po ba ng AUM, pasok na sa failure to liquidate upon due demand o hindi pa po?
Hindi po sa AOM, Your Honor.
Kasi wala pong due demand sa AUM.
Yes po.
At masasabi mo rin
Laglag
bang
na
wala
naman.
pang failure to liquidate? O meron na?
Pag sa AOM po wala, pero pag sa NS po, since meron ng first issuance which is considered as demand, so meron na po sa NS.
So, AUM wala pa.
Mega
Pag
love shout out
NS,
kay Mario
meron na.
Esteban.
Meron
I
ng
also
demand?
shout out
At meron ng
to the
failure to
barangay
liquidate.
official
Opo,
of
since sa
Santo
AOM po,
Tomas,
ni-require na silang,
DBO, Davao del Norte.
I-justify and
And
i-submit yung
God
mga
bless
documents
to
na hindi
everyone.
nila sa...
Ayan. Mega
Pero
love
sa
shout out
AOM,
din
wala
po
pa
sa
hanggang.
barangay
Yes, po, Your Honor.
Okay. Counsel, your witness.
barangay
Thank you.
DBO.
And lastly, gusto ko lang
Santo
to
Tomas. Ayan, Davao del
ma-clarify.
Norte.
Of course, the witness
Ayan,
was
God
a
bless
state auditor
everyone.
of the ICFAO.
Mega love shout out po
So,
sa inyo.
recommendatory lang po ang function ninyo. Hindi po kayo nagde-decide pagdating sa, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa notice of disallowance. Tama po ba?
Yes po. It's the function of the commission proper.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Wamil, Attorney Wamil. I thank you for your patience. That is all for this
Sablay na
witness, Your
naman.
Honor.
Thank you, counsel for respondent. Redirect, if any, counsel for the panel of prosecutors.
Yes, Your Honor, with your permission.
Counsel may proceed
Two
with the
questions
redirect.
on the redirect. Mr. Witness, tinanong sa'yo ng counsel for the respondent kung meron kang special training para mag-audit ng confidential funds. Kailangan ba ng special training para mag-audit ng confidential funds?
No, ma'am.
Hindi.
Hindi po.
Okay. At ang basehan mo, sinabi mo, when you answered is, ang basehan mo ay itong joint circular.
Yes.
Okay. Now, tinanong sa'yo ng counsel kung alam mo na ang Office of the President ang siyang nagbigay ng grant.
Can
Tama?
you repeat
At
your-
ang sagot mo? Oo.
Can you repeat the question?
You answered on cross on the question of counsel for the respondent if you are aware that the grant was given to the Vice President by the President.
Yes po.
And you answered yes.
Yes po.
Pag binigay ba ng Presidente, like in this instance, ang confidential funds, wala nang obligasyon mag-liquidate ang Vice President ng paggamit niya sa confidential funds na yan.
Meron po.
Meron
Po
pa
siyang
rin
obligation to liquidate.
obligasyon. Pag-grant ba ng Office of the President, exempted na ang Vice President na mag-submit ng
Your
mga
Honor.
dokumento.
Your Honors,
Counsel for respondent.
that is leading.
Redirect, Your Honor. This counsel opened the
Not
door.
covered by cross, even, Your Honor. Yung
Your Honor,
exemption.
counsel opened the door. Counsel opened the door to this line of questioning because he said, a grant was given by the President.
Objection is overruled. Witness may answer if he knows. Kung alam mo, Mr. Wamil, pakisagot po yung tanong ni Attorney Kapunan.
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
Ang grant ba ng ang grant ba ng confidential funds ng isang presidente to a vice president, this president in particular, to the vice president, does it exempt the vice president for accounting for the use of that confidential funds under your joint circular?
No po.
Okay. So kailangan pa rin, sinasabi mo, na compliant. Mag-comply.
Opo, kailangan
Hindi
pa rin.
lang ang Office of the President. Kung binigyan rin ng grant ang Department Secretary of Education, kailangan rin.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit? Ano ba ang nature ng pondo na yan? Pera ba yan ng Presidente?
Since ang confidential fund po ay public fund, so kailangan pong ma-properly account. So kailangan nilang i-liquidate properly and completely yung kanilang cash advances from the confidential fund.
So ang sinasabi mo, at nasa rationality ng Joint Circular. Section 1, public funds, public accountability, public officer. Tama?
Opo.
Walang exemption. Hindi exempted si Sara Duterte para mag-account.
Yes, ma'am.
Sinabi rin, Counsel for the Vice President also said, the Vice President also said, tinanong ka tungkol sa ano ba yung accrual method of accounting. Pakiulit, ano yung accrual method?
Under the approval method po, the expenses is recorded upon incurrence and not upon payment po.
$31 million in the house. Mega love shout out po at pakinggan muna natin yung ano no. Pasensya na po, medyo nagkaroon ng emergency kaya ituloy na lang natin mamayang hapon ang ating live. Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon.